Playtime is over. Introducing the all-new Exynos 2200, the chip that's here to change the mobile gaming experience. It's the chip that gamers around the world have been waiting for. Equipped with the Xclipse GPU, designed in collaboration with AMD, the Exynos 2200 supports ray tracing acceleration via dedicated hardware IP and brings gamers the one and only mobile GPU powered by RDNA 2 architecture. Reflections and light move naturally across your screen with the help of ray tracing technology. Equipped with variable rate shading technology, or VRS, the Xclipse GPU maps out extremely dynamic scenes at more stable frame rates. AAA games call for a powerful CPU, and the Exynos 2200 includes a tri-cluster octa-core CPU that contains a premium Arm v9-based Cortex-X2. Fast app loading times, seamless multitasking, and smooth video rendering are all made possible by the Exynos 2200 CPU. The CPU and GPU were architected with efficiency in mind, and Amigo technology monitors power consumption at the component level, ensuring gaming sessions last longer. The advanced 4nm process technology brings improvements in performance and power efficiency. 5G connectivity opens up a world of new experiences such as cloud gaming. The Exynos 2200's integrated modem can use 5G, 4G, and all legacy networks, and supports download speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second. It has the first Exynos modem that supports the latest 3GPP Release 16 for a faster and more stable connection. The latest MPU offers enhanced AI performance, with twice the computing power over its predecessor. The improved AI functionality supports enhanced camera features. The content-aware AI solution recognizes subjects and applies optimal camera settings to capture the moment beautifully. The upgraded ISP supports up to 200 megapixels and can take up to 108 megapixel images without lag, so you can capture every moment with incredible detail. Plus, its improved multi-format codec supports 8K video recording to help creators produce high-quality content using only their phone. The Exynos 2200 also offers smooth screen scrolling with a refresh rate of up to 144 Hz and rich color expression with an HDR10 Plus display solution. The Exynos 2200 is a solution for gamers looking for a flagship smartphone. With the Xclipse GPU, it's time to get serious about mobile gaming. Playtime is over.